I wouldn't be surprised if this motor here is the same type as the other one, and or similar, and just as badly corroded inside. So it is turning, but I do remember when I first tried it, it was stuck. So yeah, I think I'll need to pull that one apart. Oh, it's only got one wire to it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's grounded. Oh, okay. But I want to see what this back plate does. Well, it feels like the capstan motor, or flywheel motor, whatever it's called, is nice and smooth, so probably don't need to do anything with that. I'll actually just give it a bit of a test run right now with my infamous 9-volt battery. Oh, that's not too healthy. Oh. That's alright. It's turning now, but initially it didn't want to go. Try it backwards, see what happens. No. Maybe it's alright. Maybe just need to give it a little oil. Well, it certainly quietened it. Okay, oh, that's probably alright then. Not worth trying to pull it apart for no reason. Alright. Oh, there's another motor. Oh, there's motors everywhere. God, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 motors. Now, when I pull these capstan motors out, do they have a washer on them? No, no, there's no. Alright, that's good. Sometimes there's a little washer on the cassette side to stop the oil getting past it, but no. Not sure why the fiber's there. This is on the, which side is this? On the left, so this is the supply flywheel. You see the muck that's got on the rim. Now, the major one, this is the take-up flywheel. Oh, geez, that capacitor gunk it's got everywhere. The next stage is it's going to get a little bit more heavy. I probably need to see what these motors I like. Actually, it's not so noisy as I thought. Well, it seems to have a fair amount of torque. This is the fast forward and rewind motor. Right, but it's not too bad. Give it a drop of oil, I think, and she should be good. That's fast forward. So how do you get reverse? Usually the idler moves across, but don't know if it does it in this case. Oh yeah, maybe it does. It's running anyway, but that idler tire is it's oh my god, it's so hard. It's getting a shine on it from the brass. Okie dokie, what's next? Oh, this other motor. Yes, all right, let's have a look at this other motor. Right, this motor here. Yeah, pretty sure this one. Oh dear, to get to it I've got to take off this. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh god. There's all these little springs everywhere. Unless I can get down to it from here. No. Wrong screwdriver, and so this is a Phillips. I need a JIS. Well, I suppose the other thing is just leave it there and just pull it apart from this side. That wouldn't hurt. Yeah, I could do that. Why not? There we go. Yeah, it's the same as the other one. Might even be the same part number for all I know. It is. It's exactly the same motor used in the azimuth as for this. I believe it's called a hub motor. So, all right. Well, that's makes life a little bit easier. I know what to do. Let's put the motor on it actually, just before we go any further, just to see what it does. Not a cracker. There you go. Oh well, she's faulty. Right. Next step is to take tabs off. I can see there what I'm doing. If this one is beyond repair, what I do, I would swap the motors. The azimuth can be repaired later, and you can live without that. Right, finally. Oh, the brushes are okay. That's one good thing. That's always a good thing. Oh, see little brushes there? Oh yeah, all the capacitor grunge in there. Oh God. Terrible. What a calamity to happen. Oh, it's moving anyway. It's coming out. Alright. Yeah, just the same as the other one. Just the same. Deary mate. Now to gently clean the armature. The commutators come up reasonably well. Bit of paper past the brushes. Oh, that feels good. Excellent. Oh, it's always good when things work. Okay. There we go. Alright, that's pulleys back on. And there on it. Yeah, nice and smooth now. And I've adjusted the height of it so it's in line with the big pulley down there that it goes on, and it's this rubber belt here. I'll put him back on. I kept hoping that by taking little bites that I'd get the job done. Now it's worked to a certain level. I've fixed 2 motors, oiled the other 2 just slightly, and they're okay. The capstan and this rewind fast forward motor. The hub motor and the azimuth motor are the 2 that I repaired, and they're now working okay. I've taken the capstans off so that I can clean them and make sure that that's okay, but a lot of it I could put up with the muck that's in there if it's not doing any harm. I can grease a little bit some of the plastic cogs just to ensure that there's some lubrication. But I have to get this idler tyre out, and I can't see any other way except pulling the whole thing apart. These 2 layers of metal, and there's lots of springs holding the 2 together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, maybe 4. And I'm not sure which way I should go. Should I take off the front bracket or the rear bracket? Which is the better way to go? I might have to have a look at the service manual and see what it says. I have to get in there. Didn't want to. I was prepared to leave it a little bit grubby in there, provided it was functional, but I can't now. I have to. Oh dear. All right, I'll let you know when I figure out how to do it.